If you're looking for the fastest way to get centimeter level positioning performance without deploying an RTK base station, check out the Telematics line of GNSS smart antennas as well as u-blox's Point Perfect. Everything you need is actually inside of the antenna already, with a Neo D9S L-band corrections receiver, a ZF9R dead reckoning centimeter level positioning module with sensor fusion integrated. The Telematics TW5390 smart antenna contains everything you need to enable centimeter level accuracy for applications such as autonomous driving, mobile robotics, precision ag, and heavy equipment. Let's jump right in and go through the out-of-the-box experience for setting up Point Perfect with a Telematics TW5390 smart antenna. Inside the box you'll find a USB cable, a USB to UART module, and a smart antenna with an RS485 cable. You'll also find a card with a QR code and activation key for u-blox's Point Perfect, as well as a link to the Telematics TruPrecision software for Windows PCs. The TW5390 employs multi-stage filtering with low noise figure LNAs combined with a dual-feed antenna from Talisman, which greatly improves the rejection of multipath signal interference. The IMU sensor fusion integrated in the ZF9R further mitigates effects of severe multipath reflections and provides continuous position availability during periods of GNSS outages caused by signal obstruction. For a magnetic mount option, see the TW5790 antenna. To get started, simply connect the antenna to the comms module, which is a USB to UART converter, and plug it into your Windows PC. Visit the link on the card to install TruPrecision, then navigate to thingstream.io and create an account to get started with Point Perfect. Create an account and log in to thingstream.io and navigate to Location Services and Location Things. Once you're at Location Things, you'll click Add New Location Thing and then use a code. Click Redeem Your Thing and type in the code that was included in the card that was in your Telematics kit. Once you enter the redemption code, you'll be prompted to add a new Talisman Telematics thing, and that should be activated on a trial that will last 60 days for L-band and IP. You'll need to navigate to the Credentials tab and download the uCenter config. This is the file that you'll use to import into TruPrecision to get connected. TruPrecision is the Telematics application for configuring and monitoring the Telematics Precision Smart GNSS antennas. The TruPrecision app is also an MQTT client which handles subscriptions to the ThinkStream MQTT broker for streaming IP Point Perfect Spartan augmentation data. This MQTT broker and internet connection is not required if you're choosing to use the integrated L-band receiver. That will receive Point Perfect corrections directly via satellites. You can use the TruPrecision app to monitor NMEA strings, or use a secondary serial port to monitor the smart antenna output with u-blox's uCenter or your own software. Right out of the box, we're able to converge to RTK fixed mode in just a few seconds, and we're achieving centimeter level accuracy estimates right away. u-blox's Point Perfect SSR RTK continental corrections are available via IP or L-band in the following regions. Check out the Telematics Smart GNSS antenna line at telematics.com/GNSS Smart Receiver Antennas, with dashes between the words. To learn more about Point Perfect, visit u-blox.com/pointperfect.